Tyler, I got a surprise for you. Check this out.
Congratulations, Tyler. Thank you for giving us the honor and the privilege to build you your Urban Defender. If you want to walk with me, we're very excited and very proud to show you what we've done. Come on over and let's start from the front here of the vehicle. You know, one of the biggest things I love about the Urban brand is that they augment the Defender. Not that this car ever needed it, but you're getting a V8 supercharged 525 horsepower car already, and then we build on top of that to make it look as mean as the engine is. So you already know we got the Urban badging. As per your request, we got you the PPF gloss black hood. The whole car has been PPF'd in the satin finish, and then we added our LED power cubes, so it's got bigger LED fog lights than it does from factory. We've got you the front canards that match the Widetrack fender kit. Over here you have our Urban signature hood vent. We've put the Urban insignia in it for you. We've got the fender vents also as well, and we've got the British flag right here in their grayscale, which I think does really great. Because you wanted it, we put mud flaps on it. We put the checkerboard pattern, we put the running boards on it. So this is gonna be practical for you. I know you like these WX1 wheels, so we went ahead and gave you that. These are gonna be one of the first ones we do with on-road tires. Most of the stuff we put has been knobby off-road tires, so you're not gonna have any compromise in road noise and performance. This can be a daily driver and be quiet and comfortable just like it is. Looking back here, you can see the Urban branding on the actual mud flaps, which is really, really cool too. The V8s all come with smoked tail lights, so you got all that from factory, but we've gone ahead and smoked all the reflectors out for you so it matches the scheme of the car. Same thing with the exhaust. From factory is stainless steel. We've gone ahead and made them ceramic black so it matches the rest of the vehicle. Obviously your Urban wheel cover, obviously your Urban rear spoiler, but one of my favorite parts about your vehicle is the interior. This interior is really, really different. In my opinion, this cognac / saddle interior is so classy and beautiful. So we're so excited for you to enjoy it. Can't wait for it to be delivered. Let us know how you feel about it. We're very excited to share this passion with you. So thank you for letting us do it again.
Thank you, buddy.